Benjamin the science guy. Benjamin the science guy. Ben. Benjamin the science guy.
Science rules.
Benjamin the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Ben. Benjamin the science guy. Ben.
T-minus 7 seconds.
Ben. Oh, shit.
Good morning, kids. Today we're going to be talking about the properties of gases and water. Let me just... Alright, so first of all, gases are very expandable and compressible, so they're able to fit any container, such as this one, this large container, or the same massive gas, into this smaller container by compression. This is because gas exerts air pressure, outward force, as all the molecules are always moving, so it can be compressed into a smaller gas, resulting in a higher pressure, or it can be expanded, less pressure, higher volume. This right here is water, and it has a high boiling point because of the hydrogen bonds within the water molecules that keep them connected together. So because of that, it is very hard to separate the water molecules from each other. So that's because that results in a high boiling point, because obviously the water molecules don't want to move away from each other, so they just stay together. This is a water molecule. It's a polar molecule, meaning that there is a positive and a negative end of the molecule. So the positive end being the hydrogen and the negative end being the oxygen. As because of the uneven distribution of electrons, there's 4 excess electrons up here and then none down here. Negative, positive. And then another property of water being that when it is frozen, it expands. So here's a liquid water, and then you freeze it, and it becomes solid ice. And as you see, it takes up more space in the same container because it's frozen, and it expands. It has a less density because of its higher volume. Also, because of water's polarity, it is a great solvent. So like you could just take some water and then put a bunch of polar molecules in it, and it would become a solution, a very good solution because of the polarity of it. And so as a demonstration today, I'm going to show you kids how gases expand. So this is a gas stuck inside of a rather small container, and it's going to expand to fill the entire world with its gaseousness. Woo! Science!